For more than 30 years, Noregon has developed diagnostic technology that helps fleets reduce maintenance costs and keep their vehicles rolling. Noregon is proud to partner with Geotab to deliver remote diagnostics for all makes and models of medium and heavy-duty vehicles. All my Geotab customers have complimentary access to real-time vehicle details, such as enhanced fault descriptions and severity details. With this tool, users can view all fault codes on their vehicles and a severity rating for that fault based on its potential impact to the vehicle. Customers also have the option to upgrade to Fault Enrichment Complete, which adds recommended action and effect on component descriptions. These additions make it easy for any member of your fleet to make impactful decisions based on the vehicle's current state. For example, a recommended action may suggest contacting the driver and having them pull over at the next safe location, rerouting them for service, or having them continue to their destination. And for fleets who want unmatched insights into their vehicles, users can upgrade to TripVision, our comprehensive remote diagnostic platform. TripVision includes all features of Fault Enrichment Complete, plus dashboards, vehicle effects, PM scheduling, geofencing, and much more. To upgrade your account to Fault Enrichment Complete or TripVision, contact your Geotab reseller or visit the Order Now Marketplace.